The Laughing Kookaburra is native to eastern mainland of Australia. The Laughing Kookaburras are the largest birds of Kingfisher family with the scientific name of Dacelo Novaeguineae. The bird is about 38 to 47 centimeters long. Its wingspan varies between 66 to 76 centimeters. It weighs between 370 and 465 grams. Laughing kookaburras have a lifespan of 15 to 20 years. The kookaburra is one of Australia's most recognisable bird species with its stocky body, large head, prominent brown eyes, robust long bill and loud, laughing call. They have an off-white coloured body and head with a dark brown stripe across each eye and more faintly over the top of the head. The wings and back are brown with sky blue spots on the shoulders. The tail is rusty reddish orange with dark brown bars and white tips on the feathers. The heavy bill is black on top and bone-colored on the bottom. The plumage of the male and female birds is similar. It occupies dry eucalypt forest, woodland, city parks and gardens. This species is sedentary and occupies the same inland territory throughout the year. It is monogamous, retaining the same partner for life. A breeding pair can be accompanied by up to 5 fully grown non-breeding offspring from previous years that help the parents defend their territory and raise their young. A predator of a wide variety of small animals, the laughing kookaburra typically waits perched on a branch until it sees an animal on the ground and then flies down and pounces on its prey. Its diet includes lizards, insects, worms, frogs, snakes and mice. Small prey is eaten whole, but larger prey is killed by bashing it against the ground or a tree branch. The name, Laughing Kookaburra, refers to the bird's laugh, which it uses to establish territory among family groups. It can be heard at any time of day, but most frequently at dawn and dusk. This species possesses a tracheo-bronchial syrinx, which creates 2 sources of vibrations so it can produce 2 frequencies at the same time with multiple harmonics. The Laughing Kookaburra's call is made through a complex sound production system, by forcing air from the lungs into the bronchial tubes. While the structure for producing calls is present from an early age, the kookaburra's song is a learned behavior. The breeding pair within a riot of kookaburras teach the fledglings to produce the signature laughing call after the young have left the nest. The adult male will sing a short portion of the call while the offspring mimics this call, usually unsuccessfully. The singing lessons tend to last 2 weeks before the fledgling can properly sing and take part in crepuscular choral songs. Once mastered, the young can join in crepuscular chorus songs that aid in establishing territory. This laughter is referred to as the bushman's clock in Australia. During mating season, the laughing kookaburra reputedly indulges in behavior similar to that of a wattle bird. The female adopts a begging posture and vocalizes like a young bird. The male then offers her his current catch accompanied with an oo 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 sound. The nest is a bare chamber in a naturally occurring tree hollow or in a burrow excavated in a tree-dwelling termite mound. The nest building may start in August with a peak of egg laying from September to November. The female generally lays a clutch of 2 to 3 semi-glossy white eggs at about 2-day intervals. If the first clutch fails, they will continue breeding into January. Both parents and auxiliaries incubate the eggs for 24 to 26 days. Hatchlings are altricial and nidicolous, fledging by day 32 to 40. If the food supply is not adequate, the third egg will be smaller, and the associated chick will also be smaller and at a disadvantage relative to its larger siblings. Chicks have a hook on the upper mandible, which disappears by the time of fledging. If the food supply to the chicks is not adequate, the chicks will quarrel, with the hook being used as a weapon. The smallest chick may even be killed by its larger siblings. If food is plentiful, the parent birds spend more time brooding the chicks, so the chicks are not able to fight. It is important to note that the laughing kookaburras are a protected native species in Australia. They are absolutely iconic Australians. I hope you have learned a few new things about laughing kookaburras. Thanks for watching.